Hey, welcome to another episode for Nine's Beauty Advice Bureau. My name is Nazareth. You may recognize me from my YouTube channel. We put out a story asking you guys what advice you guys needed with your at-home routines, and by far hair care was the most common theme. So in this episode, we're gonna tackle everything from combating frizz to getting rid of dandruff. DIY conditioners are one of my all-time favorite. They are perfect for dry hair, especially in the winter time. So for this one, all you're going to need is avocado, banana, olive oil, your favorite leave-in conditioner, and a little bit of water. You mix it all together and apply it on your hair. What I do to apply my DIY conditioner is section off my hair into 4 sections and apply starting from my ends, and then I work my way up to the roots. I love leaving this DIY conditioner for at least 40 minutes to an hour, and it always leaves my hair looking beautiful and healthy. Flaxseed Gel is one of my favorites as well. All you're going to need is a pot. You fill it up with about half a bottle of water, and then you pour your flaxseed in, mix it in the little pot so all the seeds are submerged under the water. Once the water starts to boil, mix the pot with a spoon and try to see if the consistency is thick enough for your hair. Now you can drain the flaxseed gel into a bottle with a strainer. After I style my hair with a leave-in, I like putting a little bit of the gel on top just to create that hold. So I pour the gel, as you guys can see here, and I scrunch it up all over my hair so my hair can have that hold so it can last me for the whole entire week. And trust me guys, this is the perfect gel on a budget that you'll ever come across. The cotton t-shirt is perfect to prevent frizz from happening, so use this when you want to dry the excess water or excess products from your hair, and you'll see a major difference. This quick little remedy for dandruff is my all-time favorite as well. All you're going to need is olive oil and 1 slice of lemon juice. You'll apply it straight on your scalp before washing your hair and leave it in for about half an hour, and then wash and style as you please, and you'll see all those flakes disappear. Well, that's all the beauty advice that I have for you guys today. Make sure you keep sending us those questions and we'll be very happy to help. And if you recreate any of these looks, make sure that you tag us and you might be featured in the next episode. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys soon.